so cool about manufacturing?
Manufacturing creates many jobs with many skill sets, from general labor through engineering, biology, chemistry, marketing, business, and students need to find a career that they're going to like in order to have longevity.
What type of products come out of the manufacturing at Keystone?
Keystone Potato Products makes two main types of products. One is our dehydrated potato flake and flour, which goes to instant TV dinners, pierogi fillings, or pasta manufacturers, as well as potato bread makers. Fresh cut product is just fresh potatoes. They're diced, sliced, French fried, whatever the customer demands, and it goes to processors like soup manufacturers or potato salad manufacturers.
Mrs. T's Pierogies as a filling, Martin's Potato Rolls as a flour, PA Pure Distilleries for vodka, ASK Foods for salads, and Blount Fine Foods for soups.
We also have an outlet for all of our off-grade waste as either cattle feed or pet food.
Can you explain how Keystone Potatoes works to minimize waste?
One of the things we do to minimize waste here at Keystone Potato, we are a big user of landfill gas that fuels our boiler to supply steam to make our products. We also use a lot of mine pool water that we treat to drinking water standards and use in our processing. After that water is used, we bring that water back up to our wastewater treatment plant, where we again treat that water to wastewater treatment standards and discharge that.
And we're just utilizing everything that we can and putting it back into the environment in a better state. Like reclaiming our mine water, using the methane gas from the landfill, and using potatoes that before our plant was in place would have just gone to landfill waste.
What is the benefit of having a small workforce?
Having a small workforce lets us communicate thoroughly. It's family oriented and everybody gets along.
What do you think is the most impressive thing about Keystone Potatoes?
Our ability to be flexible for our customers. I see everybody jumping through hoops on a daily basis just to make sure all our customers are happy.
It's not just potatoes. We have a lot of manufacturing equipment here, and it's very in-depth and high-tech. We're the only dehydrated manufacturing plant east of the Mississippi, and what we do is special.
That's so cool!